Alright. Naruto 617 review. Love it. Oh, my bad. Alright. Naruto 617 review. Part 1. Neji mourning the death of... mourning the death of Neji. Just... And Naruto gives him power. Sends him a hotcake. Naruto sends Lee a hotcake real quick. And Lee's yelling out, me and Neji will always be and forever enemies. Rivals. And Kakashi remembering his little lecture, Sukaku's lecture. Sorry about that. Mad hungry. Mad hungry. Mad hungry. Alright. Next we have Naruto actually becoming stronger than his mom and his dad and chakra used to something like that. He surpasses his mom and his dad in chakra link and the number of links he can sustain. And Naruto says because of that, raw proof. Oh, no. Okay. And so, who can play that game? Naruto and the Shinobi Alliance go ahead and go on attack. And what else happened, y'all? Part 2. Oh. Obito still talking stuff. About the Hyuga clan. Being stuck in a cage. And Naruto. Oh, man. That's not good. Sorry about that, y'all. And Naruto says Neji spirit burns bright in all of them. And see what happens, they end up turning into a giant bird. Flying out of his cage to attack Ten Tails. And Hinata heals his shoulder. And guess who's in the tracks? Sakura is nowhere. Sakura is nowhere to be found again for the past couple chapters, like everybody was hoping for. Lee kicks the mess out of what's the name, and Obito, that the little Ross saying sure it can even affect him. Oh, and Ten-Tails just dies somehow. Oh my God, Ten-Tails died. And Sasuke's team has finally reached their destination, and it looks like they're broke. To me, honestly, I think it's the broken where the Uchiha clan was, where the Uchiha clan little area was. That's where I think it's at. A little hot out. That looks exactly like it too. Okay. And so, another quick review of that Naruto One Piece coming up. I'll see you later. Peace.